Man, power equipment. Okay, so we are, you wanting in? Come in, sir. No? That's embarrassing? I thought so too. We are in the bathroom. Today's goal is to finish up some projects and to really rehydrate. Yesterday we went hard. We got almost all of the trim done. And then we decided to do the bathrooms, which is great. We're just not done. This is the last room that needs to be taken care of. And there's just a few touch-up places. So for all the other trim, like I measured, I cut the angles and everything. For this one, is that a crack or is that crack? I thought it was my hair. How much do we care? Well, we'll get to that when we get to that. That sucks. Okay, so really I just took off this trim and then like marked it and cut it, so I didn't measure it. So in theory it should all be fine and fit in where it needs to go, but I don't know if it will in practice, so we'll do that. I need a staple gun. I'm gonna go get that. I got distracted. I still haven't gotten the staple gun. Ha! Told you. I didn't tell you anything. That's fine. What I'm most concerned about, easy, don't hurt yourself, is this itty bitty baby piece fitting in like behind the door. I guess let's just try it out because that's the only way we're gonna know if this works. It might be too big. Get this piece in. Oh, that's irritating. Also, look how this wall is anything but straight. Like a finger more, which that's how we're measuring things these days. I have to go plug this in outside because that's where the best plug is. I mean, it's like a grounded plug. That's the plug I was told to use. Okay, so I'm not supposed to use the saw when I'm home alone. It's like, it's not like I'm dangerous. It's more like this activity is dangerous, but like, you're here with me. Does that count? No, it doesn't. And my phone's inside in case there really is an emergency. Maybe I'll go get my phone just in case there really is an emergency. Okay, I have someone's contact info up who will answer if I call. See, look, safety precautions. First, I need an outside angle. This one feels great. These are just extra pieces of wood. Then what did we decide? An angle, and then like a finger. Safety glasses on, safety latch off, angle 45 degrees, fingers are out of the way, still holding it securely. Okay, great job. We got our angle. I don't know why, but I feel like that's the right amount. Beautiful, we love it. No one was hurt, thankfully. My watch is telling me that this is a loud environment. I know. Here we are back in the bathroom to see if this is correct. And it's not. You know what? We're gonna do the other pieces and then we'll come back to that one. Let's not get frustrated. Let's not lose a finger. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So that piece was too big. This piece too small. We're literally playing a game of Goldilocks right here. Glasses. 45-degree angle. See, look, we got this. We're professionals. We're professionals. She did such a good job cleaning this up too. I feel bad because I'm getting dust everywhere. Emergency contact still up. Great, love it. Now we decided it was this one because it was this big. Should I have done this differently? Yes. Did I? No. Is this a formal way of measuring? It's close enough. Okay. Back to 0 degrees. Does it fit? And the answer is, oh my, why? I mean, I know it's because these are not square. I'm gonna nail this one. I don't think it needs it. It's never gonna move. That's it. Bub, do you think that's a great spot for you? He's like, of course it is. Ready? How do I get this in there? How is this one also just slightly too big? Because you didn't measure them properly, Ashley. Well, no wonder. That's an issue. But literally, what a effing afternoon. I guess I will recap what just happened. I ran down to Ace to pick up some more caulk. I went to pull into a parking spot. And first of all, this parking lot is really weird. It doesn't make sense. I would never make a parking lot like that. I'm not in charge of making up parking lots. Probably should be, but I'm not. So here I am pulling into the parking lot. I'm pulling into a spot, and it's like one where you like pull through just in an island in the middle of the parking lot. There's just these spots in a row. So I'm pulling into one, no biggie. And this car comes in and he starts pulling into it. I am halfway in the spot. I am nearly parked. No. He just keeps coming. And I'm like, oh, he's not gonna move. And your ugly ass old Mustang convertible, it just hailed 20 minutes ago. And you have a soft top convertible right now? You're an idiot. Anyhow, so I'm still steaming about this on the way home, clearly. I pull into the driveway, I go to grab my purse, I grab my water, I grab my phone. Where's the caulk? Where is it? Nowhere to be seen. I go inside and I'm like, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it's somewhere in the bottom of this bag. Plausible. Things get lost in this purse all the time. Completely plausible. Okay. I search for it. No. And I'm like, wow, I feel like an idiot, but I'm 99% sure I left it on the counter at the Ace Hardware. So I call. I'm like, hi, hello. I was just in there. I bought one freaking thing. Did I leave it on the counter? And he hangs up on me. He hangs up on me. I'm like, oh, okay, cool, thank you. Call right back, and he's like, sorry, I hung up on you. Also, yes, we do have it. So now I am driving back in to town to pick up the caulk that I've already purchased but left behind, and I am more irritated than just by the driver. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. This Ace, always busy. Do we need some light? I feel like we need some light. There we go. Rip roaring busy. She was like, oh my God, you're back. You forgot this. And I was like, yeah, I know. I feel like an idiot. Thank you. Got it. We're good to go. Let's go home. I'm sure the dog's very confused because I came and I left and I came and I left. If I didn't have to see another person today, that'd be quite all right with me.